All right, testing 1, 2, 3.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
All right, so yeah, all that's going into your truck.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot longer than I had anticipated. It would look nice on the wall. We could do it like diagonal because it's a lot of wall.
Did you say it looked longer than you expected? Is it bigger than you expected?
Yeah, it's longer.
It's like girthier.
No. Only Jeffrey.
What? I mean, you can be honest, man. I'm not that big.
Wow.
I mean, I'm more like this. I'm more choppy and thick. And I'm talking about exhaust, by the way. You perverted people out there.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so that could definitely fit in your truck.
Wow.
I'm saying in your truck, bro.
Wow.
Bro.
Which trunk are you talking
Are you even married, bro?
Holy macaroni.
She had no idea I was filming her. All right, guys, so we're here at Whitmore, currently owned by Kingley Automotive. I say currently, but I mean, it's like today, right now. It's owned by them. We are installing the AWE exhaust. And something pretty interesting about this, I had no clue. This was hilarious. Which one is it? It's right here, right? AWE, thank you so much for this blow pop. Yeah, it's cherry. Cherry, by the way, cherry. I had no idea. That was pretty cool. So guys, we're here for the installation of the AWE exhaust for the Dark Horse. It's going to be absolutely insane. I can't freaking wait. And of course, we got Mason like right there.
Yep, I'm
yeah.
right here.
And what's your name?
Ed.
Ed?
Yep.
Everybody, this is Ed. Say hi, Ed.
How's it going? Ed is the Mustang master around here.
The Mustang guru.
He is. Ed is all things Mustang.
This is pretty sick.
Rocks. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Holy sweet Lord. Okay. So from daily driving this car, roughly 4,500 RPMs. I mean, RPMs. Wow, I can't speak. 4,500 miles. That's how much gravel comes to the rear. Is that what it is?
Yeah. They always send a blow pop.
Do you mind being on? Do you care?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the story about this?
Yeah, AWE, this is their thing. You get anything from AWE, you get a blow pop.
That's insane, bro.
Yep.
That's funny, though.
Yep.
So I was just telling them, like, Noveski, like for firearms, they used to give you gummy bears.
Yeah.
You spend $4,000 on a rifle and they give you gummy bears.
Yeah.
And they're stale. I know this because I try to eat them. So you were saying AWE is pretty close to you guys. How far away?
Yeah, they're about an hour away, right outside of the Westchester area. But they do tuning and everything there.
Yes, I've actually been in talks with them. And by the way, guys, thanks for the dyno sheet. That was amazing. We've been chatting via email because I was trying to schedule an appointment to go down there and get a dyno done and then installation. But for logistics, they're not open on Fridays.
Yeah.
Well, I'm sure they are, but not for the public.
Sure.
So we couldn't do it. But yeah, so I want to thank them again. Their hospitality and email was amazing, dude. They're really professional, and especially with that. But so I expressed to them that no problem. I'll be coming up here anyway to get it installed,
Yeah.
and maybe we could schedule something down the road where we can come down there and take a tour and maybe get some dyno runs. But in the meantime, I will put the dyno sheets right up here if you guys are curious. It's not my car, but it is a Dark Horse. But this is the full setup, man. So let's see, what, about 30 minutes, an hour away from here? What do you think?
Yeah, like 45.
Right outside of Westchester.
Okay. Next will probably be the blower. What are your thoughts?
I mean, I've already told you. That's the way.
It's not a Chevy, is what you keep on telling me.
I mean, I did tell you to buy a Chevy, yes.
Yeah.
But if you're going to have this, I mean, a blower would be pretty sick.
Okay, well, what do you think?
I am amazed at how awesome these drivers are.
What?
They have practice.
We're over here talking about cars, you talking about drivers.
I know, but
Talking to my boob. Here, speak it to the mic.
I'm
Right.
speaking into the mic.
Yeah, okay.
They have plenty of practice.
Oh my God,
Dude,
it's
she was
amazing.
definitely checking out my
Tatas.
my wife just felt my boob. Here. Okay. We are moving pretty fast with this this installation so far. I don't want to be in his way, but this is what the stock exhaust looks like. So what is pretty interesting is it bolts up right here to the H pipe. So they call this the luggage or the suitcase, which will be coming off. So that's pretty cool. That bolts up. Cats will be over here with headers. That is staying. We're not changing that, at least not right now. But we were just talking with Mason. We, depending on what car we get next, will depend on if we are going to get a blower on this car or not. Because my wife might be dealing in this car down the road. Maybe she might be, and if she is, I really don't want to hand her 720 or 50 or 800 to the tires.
She can handle it.
She could probably handle it. Yeah.
Rachel can definitely handle it.
Go Team Rachel.
What is this? What is that?
This is thunder. This is lightning.
Thunder and lightning. Yeah, so back to the installation. He's moving pretty quick. So all that will be in here. I can't wait to hear the first startup, dude. It's going to be crazy. Now, granted, this is nothing too crazy. It's not a major modification, but we'll see.
It'll sound a heck of a lot better.
Well, according to Mason, it's not going to sound as good as Chevy.
No, I mean it won't be an LT sound. But
It won't be an LT sound. And for all of you Chevy guys, look, I still love my Chevys. I'm not saying I'll never get another Corvette again. It won't be a Z51, but that may come back in the collection sometime soon. We'll see. Yeah. So we're gonna let these guys get back to it, and we'll touch base in a few minutes. But this is crazy watching them work. They are fast. I think before you know it, my wife and I will be getting pizza. All right, testing 1, 2, 3.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
All right, so yeah, all that's going into your truck.
Yeah.
oh, I see what they do.
Yeah. It's a lot longer than I had anticipated. It would look nice on the wall. We could do it like diagonal because it's a lot of
Did
wall.
you say it looked longer than you expected? Is it bigger than you expected?
Yeah, it's longer.
It's like
The
girthier.
length. No. Only Jeffrey.
What? I mean, you can be honest, man. I'm not that big.
Wow.
I mean, I'm more like this. I'm more choppy and thick. And I'm talking about exhaust, by the way. You perverted people out there.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so that could definitely fit in your trunk. I mean, truck.
Wow.
I'm saying in your trunk, bro.
Wow.
Bro.
Which trunk are you talking
Are you
about?
even married, bro?
Holy macaroni.
God, my wife does not how to. She don't know how to act like she's married. She over act like she's single.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. This is supposed to be about the exhaust.
How do you take him out when
I can't.
Yeah.
This is supposed to be about the exhaust.
I need lipstick so that you
I
can't
think
see the
so.
redness in my face.
All right, guys. So to get away from their wife,
I appreciate it.
this is an H pipe. This is not an X pipe. And again, this is from AWE. So, it's supposed to sound, dare I even say the word, a lot deeper. What, bro? It does. It sounds deeper. Oh, and by the way, speaking of deeper, wow, that's not a good transition. Matt Bieber, it's all your fault. So,
Definitely people with Matt.
yeah, but they're gonna be picking on you, bro. That's all your fault. So, just to do a recap, my wife and I were at the Ford Nationals at Carlisle, and Matt introduced me to Stang Mode. Stang Mode was courtesy. He showed me his Mustang, his Dark Horse, and He does have headers, 1 7/8 cooked headers, and he has the same exact SwitchPath exhaust with the H-pipe, and it sounded amazing. Dare I say that word again? Deep, a very deep sounding exhaust. And
my goodness
stop
gracious.
saying that. Oh my goodness, bro. And we're trying to keep this rated G. But his car sounded amazing. So he introduced me to AWE. And so now we're here at Whitmore getting this exhaust installed. And with very professional installations. Guys, we joke around a lot, but obviously they know what they're doing. Otherwise, I would not be here. I wouldn't drive. We wouldn't drive almost 2 hours away if these guys didn't know what they're doing. So, wow, that conversation definitely went south. Yeah, it did. It definitely did. But we're keeping it in the upload. So this is not going to be your traditional AWE exhaust installation YouTube video. So AWE, if you're watching this, we do apologize, but not really. It's just who we are. We're sorry, but not sorry. Thoughts? You're just laughing in the mic this whole time.
I got nothing.
You just
I will
laugh.
say it's kind of cool. You see the ADV.
The what? The ADHD. What?
It's like Jeffrey.
Wow, you are
tagged onto
so
your
out there,
car.
bro.
Kind of.
You need to get. Did you bring your meds?
Don't worry, I already took them.
Did you already take them? Do you want to come over here and look at this?
I'm so.
This is like man. I can't even say the P word on YouTube. I don't want to get demonetized. You know, like it rhymes with corn. It rhymes like man corn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is it, man. This really gets us.
I mean, it looks like a big puzzle.
Wow.
I mean, it's basically what it is in a way.
Wow. That's a
It's just
buzzkill,
a
man.
more expensive shiny puzzle.
Put them together.
So, our last video, my wife was talking about putting flowers or something through the H-pipe, and now she's calling this a shiny puzzle. Wow, this interview or review is pretty legit. You got anything to say about that? Shiny puzzle, put flowers through H-pipes?
This is like the fallopian tube.
Did you just call the AWE exhaust a fallopian tube? I can't even pronounce that word. That is not a fallopian. How you pronounce it? I can't even pronounce it. Anybody pronounce that?
I'm going to throw your rocks away.
Oh my God.
Yeah. All right. Stop calling it tubes. You stop it.
Oh man. And cut.
And cut. All right. Cut on that note. So you were saying as far as this is
So it uses the factory clamps after the cat, and then it goes into the H-pipe and uses a reducer and goes larger to go into the H-pipe.
oh, yeah, that's a good design.
Yep.
I mean that way you don't have to cut
It
anything.
makes it super easy to get all
Yeah.
connected to the factory stuff.
God, it's so clean, bro. These resonator deletes kill me. It's like,
Just mini resonators.
is there really anything in there?
Yeah.
It's still a resonator. It's got like a little bit of baffling in it.
God, it just reminds me. I don't even see the point. It might as
I mean, it'll be nice because that'll take care of some of your drone
yeah.
raspiness.
Yeah.
yeah, I don't like raspiness at all in these cars.
Man, this is perfect. Dude, like that's
What's that?
That fits great right there.
It's perfect. Look at that.
Right with the angle of the tank.
Yeah. AWE did a heck of a.
AWE.
They did an amazing job, bro. Not only that, I think, and I don't know what the difference is, but this is proprietary to the Dark Horse. So the Dark Horse exhaust, supposedly, it won't fit a regular GT. I don't know what the difference is, but it's got to be a bend somewhere. So right now we're in the tedious stage of the exhaust. Well, they are in the tedious stage of the exhaust, and we were just trying to get everything aligned as far as how the exhaust is going to be staggered from left to right, and then obviously the height. And it's pretty cool to watch how this gets set up, but it's definitely a lot of work. So kudos to these guys for taking on this exhaust. I mean, obviously they've done this numerous times.
watch out.
We got a vehicle coming. Got to watch out.
Don't get run over.
Don't want to get run over. That would really suck.
Yeah, it would.
That would.
I'd take the car.
You see, this is how things go south. I get hit, and they're already volunteering to take the car, and then my wife laughs. There's no way I can do like a serious YouTube thing on my exhaust. I promise you, AWE, like I'm sometimes more professional. What? You guys are so ridiculous.
You gotta have fun with it.
Yeah, you gotta have fun. Life's too short.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, me and this guy always have fun in our videos.
You have to.
You got to.
Life's way too short.
It is way too short, man. But some people were like, dude, you're never serious. I'm serious when I need to be.
Yeah.
But I am serious the fact that this looks amazing. These guys know what they're doing. All right, first impressions. Exhaust is done. God, that looks good. So this will be the first startup. And I believe this is in quiet mode.
Everyone's backing up. Maybe I should too. I don't want to get anyone's way.
Good God. Wow. I can't believe that's quiet mode.
That's quiet?
That's quiet mode. It automatically puts it in quiet mode when you start it.
Oh, wow.
That's just ridiculous. Yeah, go for it.
Holy macaroni.
My God.
It's going to shake our house in the garage.
Yeah, that's the quietest mode. That's.
Hold on, that's
I don't even know if he knows how to put it in there. Hey, do you know how to put it in track mode? So you hit that.
I'm like, is that quiet?
All right, yeah. Put it all. Press the button all the way to the far right. All right, that's the loudest mode because we were just in quiet mode.
Hold on, you're doing loud? I'm backing up.
Wow.
That's normal?
So that's normal mode right there. Good God, that's sport mode. It's so loud. Wow.
Good.
Yep, that's a good grocery gooder.
Yeah, sounds good.
Sounds healthy.
First thoughts?
Oh, I hope it doesn't shake the house.
Oh, there it is.
You sure you don't want to try and put that in your car?
God, that sounds good. Whew.
It'll probably break in a little bit too.
Oh, yeah.
Fresh metal.
All right, guys. Well, this concludes this upload. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. It's always funny dealing with this guy. Want to say goodbye?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Thanks for stopping.
Nick, say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Hi and bye.
Hi, bye.
Yeah, and Matt, we miss you. We don't know where you're at, Matt.
Missing.
He does got beautiful hair, though.
Every time. He wakes up like that every day. Literally.
All right, everybody here, Whitmore, myself, and the boss, we're saying goodbye. You guys have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.